guys, welcome to another video. You're probably seeing this on Tuesday, not on Monday, because whatever. Maybe, I don't know. But, yeah, this is the Juggernaut. Now I'm actually going to be going in order. Yay! Mainly because I'm getting confused. I forgot. I know I did razor rotors and hot tack. That's what I did last. Alright, so let's get into it. And also, yeah, here's where it starts. I have to use the both abilities to get the ceramic skill first, and then there we go. Oh, I might actually win this round this time. Oh, I did! That's the first time that's ever happened. I guess this is going to be a slightly longer video then.
What is that?
Although I'm probably going to die pretty soon because these mowers are having a problem. Yeah, that time I had these abilities, I was gonna die. Yeah, you constantly have to be using the ninja and village ability to not die. But without the ability, and also I changed it because I tried doing this with my old thing with the cold arm. Oh, I might be dead.
Clean up on aisle 7.
Oh, no? Wow. Although I might be dead this round. Oh. Alright. Oh, yeah, I might be dead. Really? Yeah, oh. I forgot there's a mod this round. Why do I always forget the... Oh, use ability. Oh, yeah, I'm dead.
Clean up on aisle 7.
There we go. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And, yeah, bye!